far down there. Oh my God, is that you? It's been months, and mostly my fault because I forgot to film. Not that I forgot to film, but most likely I forgot to post what I filmed. So now we're gonna do some recap and a lot more videos because I filmed like 10, I think. So I think it's time for us to, I guess go there and back again. Yeah, I'm ready to go. Let's go. I'm late. Very late.
A few moments later.
This is a video of one of two, basically. The first one's gonna be about my first day there, and it includes a 5-star hotel, which I did not actually pay for. I paid in points. Wonderful. So, let's just take it back and just remember how my trip started. And move from there. Oh my God, you're not my usual camera person, but hey, that's okay. Chris is off. I don't know what he's doing, but he's not here. But we are here at Yeonyeon Bridge, and it's really, really beautiful. I have to say, it just lit up and it's really, really pretty. As well as this pavilion that I am in is absolutely gorgeous. You can see lovely paintwork on it here, and yeah. Let's go explore Yeonyeon Bridge, which I just butchered. Welcome to my little hobbit hole here. It's the cave. It's the cave next to the pond. But yeah, it's really cool here. There was a little crab. Yeah, that's about it. I'm surprised there's not like a fence here. I could just frickin' fall in. What am I gonna do? Maybe I'll do it right now. I'm not gonna do it now. That's scary. Scary. Super duper windy right now. I don't know if you can hear me, but hey, I just got a freaking ice cream cone right after we got back from the McDonald's. Yeah, I really need to stop going there. But yeah, this is my hotel in the background here. I'm so tired, so I think I'm gonna call it quits for day one, considering it was very hectic. I only have myself to blame. Yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Good morning and welcome to my hotel room. And like I said, I'm gonna give you a room tour. But first, let's just appreciate this lovely hallway. I think it's appreciated. All right, moving on to my favorite place in the whole wide world. The bathroom. And my God, let me tell you, that is a heated seat. And there's a bidet in there too. I like the heated seat part more. But no one needs to see the rest of that. Because no one cares because it's the bathroom. Again, now here is the storage unit. One of two. The second one's over there, but it has my stuff in it. We're not looking at that. But in this storage unit, we have a bathrobe for whenever I want to take a bath. Probably won't. And let's see. We also have a nice safe. I'm not going to use this. But if I had to store millions of dollars, I know where I'd put it. Moving on to my actual room, because this was all just the hallway. We have the fridge. And yes, there used to be banana milk in here. And I was gonna go, everyone needs banana milk in their life, but somebody, oh, it's right here. She didn't drink all of it. That's pretty cool. Well, everyone needs banana milk in their life. Oops, Nesquik got stuck. All right, next is the bathroom. Perfection at its finest. Actually, it's really, really beautiful. I have nothing bad to say about this, besides the fact that you can see me. But they have lovely blinds that will come down through the bathroom and will actually cover up this area, which is really, really cool. And here we got a ton of stuff. We got a cool stuff. They give me a free toothbrush, a comb. There's 2 shower heads. One that falls down and one that's just like a normal shower head. But yeah, that's about it for the restroom. Let's check out these lovely beds. It's nice. Sleeping on a hard bed in my apartment has been a little bit of a pain. It's kind of nice for my back here. But yeah, we also have a lovely, like, I don't know how many inches that TV is, or I have no idea. It's huge. It's huge. It's big. It's bigger than I have not used it yet. But yeah, I will say though, let's see. We have a couch, a lovely couch. I don't know. Table. This room is really fucking great. I don't know. There's nothing else to say about it. Except, what a gorgeous view that is. It really is pretty. God damn! That's room tour. Now it's time for day 2. Let's get into this. Woo!
Coming soon on video and DVD.
Bad things keep happening. But they do. Sex and Health Museum. No! I don't know how to get out of here. Hi, Mr. Crab. How you doing?